Hey YouTube, it's Dimitri, and today we're just going to do a quick review here on the Logitech 2.0 Z207 speakers here. I purchased these a little while back. I've used them for probably, about a year. You can see here in the unboxing how simple they are. You have two speakers, one cable that connects the first speaker to the second speaker, and then the second speaker has an outlet that plugs into the PC itself, and then you have a power cable that goes from that second speaker as well. And you'll see that here in the unboxing. If you're looking for like an average everyday speaker to go with your monitor, your desktop here, these I think are the best value. They do have some good low end on the speakers, good mids, good highs. Overall, just an average speaker here. Nothing you're going to be looking for like, crazy performance and like a big subwoofer and all that. But I'm just an average user, something to listen to music to, something to kind of hear when I chat with people through Zoom or Skype or something like that. And just a few points here on them. So quality overall is good given the price here. But as you can see on Amazon, do not buy them from Amazon right now. For $134.64 plus shipping, they are not worth it. Just go here and search, Logitech Z207s. I searched for Walmart. Walmart had them for $51.27. Staples had them for $54.99. I believe I bought mine from Walmart. They've lasted well. Anyways, that's just my quick tip on them. I give them a 5-star out of 5-star. They're simple to put together. I do believe they also support Bluetooth if you don't want as many wires, but I prefer just to use them kind of plugged in to my monitor here. So anyways, thanks for watching, and as always, until next time.